Welcome to PriceLabs' August 2024 update. We've introduced some exciting features tailored to make managing your listings easier and more efficient. Let's take a look at what's new this month.
First up, we've expanded the use of historical data across several of our features. We've added an exciting new feature to Neighborhood Data, the Market History section. This tool gives you a 12-month snapshot of the market around each listing, focusing on four important metrics: occupancy, booking window, length of stay, and ADR. Think of it as a mini market dashboard, customized for each of your listings. You can even adjust the compset that defines your market, making the data even more relevant to your needs. Next, we've improved the supply and demand charts in the market dashboard. They are displayed by default, and the main metric used for demand is now booked nights. Finally, we've added a base price history option in the three-dot menu of the multi-calendar, letting you track changes in minimum, base, and maximum prices for each listing. Next, let's talk about how you can get more organized with our improved Notes feature. You can now remind later and pin notes within our Notes feature, making sure you never miss important tasks or updates. No more relying on sticky notes or trying to juggle everything in your head. The pinning feature lets you keep crucial notes at the top of your list, so they're always visible and easy to find when you need them. This is perfect for tracking key details like pricing adjustments or guest preferences. With the Remind Later feature, you can set reminders not only within PriceLabs, but also receive them by email. This means you'll get a nudge at the right time, even if you're not logged into the platform, ensuring you never forget to take action on important tasks. We've also introduced a new functional enhancement designed to give you more control. You can now unmap listings directly from the pricing dashboard, allowing you to manage your listings with even greater flexibility. Lastly, we're excited to announce new integrations with several property management systems, expanding the tools available to help you manage your listings more effectively. Here's the list of the latest additions.
That's all for this month's updates. These new features are designed to help you manage your listings more efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, happy revenue management with PriceLabs.